What's up, everybody? So today we're gonna show you how the Porsche sounds. We already finished the exhaust, downpipes, it's done, ready to go. We're gonna be dropping that off to the customer today, to Malik Monk. We just got this one that came in, needed alternator. Customer said it died on the freeway. Just driving and it cut out, so we're gonna be dropping that one off. We removed the alternator. So he popped off the alternator battery to charge it. It was showing 4 volts. That's how we knew the alternator was bad. This one we got some 20-inch Forgiatos going on. These brakes we already did. Got the tires, we're gonna mount those. Sorry about the shop, it's a little dirty. These are the wheels, 20-inch Forgiatos with the floating cap. We're gonna be putting the drippy F to match the Lamborghini Urus. Jeep Wrangler's almost done. Taking out the old sensor for this. So we're gonna be taking out the old sensor on this, putting the new sensors on the new wheels. Engine's almost done for the Jeep. Got new coil packs, new injectors, basically a lot of new stuff just because we're putting the new motor. So why not just go through it? This is the old one. You can see, I'll put the video in, what failed on it. This had a bunch of shavings. If you see this, look how much shavings coming out. It's crazy. You could see it right there, look. All the shavings. That's what made the motor fail. And then we have an extra downpipe if anybody has a 718 came in. They sent us 2 on accident. And then we got this Range Rover, not this Range Rover, excuse me. We got this G-Wagon customer got towed in. Needs a lot of work. So I guess it looks like he bought it from the auction like this. It's a 2016. It's missing the front bumper, headlights. Looks like the lower diffuser, all the trims. Came all taped up. It had a bag. We removed it just because it looks really bad. The back is damaged. Got some body work right here. So we're gonna be repairing the body work for him. And then it doesn't run. He took it to Mercedes and they said it needs a whole wire harness. So we're gonna be checking that just to see if that's accurate. So back to the G-Wagon. Looks like this is pushed pretty hard. Damage here. And then if you look at the inside, looks like, I don't know if the back seat's missing. No, it's back here. Looks like they took this off because a lot of electronics go here. So we're gonna be putting all this back together. I believe he bought this from Copart. The doors, you gotta love the way they sound. Just such a beautiful sound. So everything's apart. It looks like all this is apart just because all the electronics are here. This is where the battery is on the G-Wagon, in case you guys were wondering. So we're gonna be messing with the electronics, connecting it. The customer said that the wire harness was like cut. That's why Mercedes said they need a new one. So we're gonna see if we can put it all back together, get this back on the road, and get this G-Wagon back running. So that one just came, and it's a 2016. So if you guys remember on the Challenger, we took it apart. We're waiting for insurance, so we took it all apart just to see if there's more damage, and there was. It looks like the impact bar was bent, had some damage to the exhaust pipe. So it's always good to take it apart. You never know. Looks can be deceiving. It looks like it's not really that bad until you take it off, and it's terrible. And then we're gonna be getting ready for Car Week. So we're gonna be doing an oil change on the McLaren for Monterey Car Week. Hopefully the wheels will be here. And then probably put just the logo on the side. Yeah, so we got that one. Bear brakes are almost here for the Chevelle. 9-inch curvy rear end should be here next week. So we'll be putting that together. Still waiting on the Demon hood. And then we got the G-Wagon that came. Customer said that his tire pressure monitor system's not working. It's showing that it's low, but it's actually not. So we're gonna be checking that out and doing a major service on this one. I believe it's got like 70 or 80,000 miles. You put the Central logo, the rep. We did this one, we did the black roof, we did the spare tire delete, we did the flares in black, we powder coated the wheels, did the brakes in lime green with the matching spinner F. We did the Bravos hood. We did the powder coat front grille, painted we powder coated the bar, painted the grille, painted the lower bumper. We got this Range Rover, waiting for insurance to come. Customer got in an accident. You can see the damaged window. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see. This is damaged. This is damaged, this is damaged. So we're waiting for insurance for that. We're gonna be doing a Duramax swap on the H1. We're gonna be going to 6.6, better turbo diesel, everything. It's gonna be nice. So we're mounting these Porsche wheels. We'll show you guys right now the process. These are size 20s. So we put this around just to protect the wheel so it doesn't get scratched. So this is basically the plastic will just keep it safe so it doesn't get scratched while we're putting it on.
Are you gonna be here for a minute? I'm gonna bring mine. I might go some of that Benz.
So boom, that just protects it. No damage. That's how we mount. Can I help you? 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna balance these. So on the tires we got, one of them we got to take back and return because this is damaged. This one fall off. Need it or no?
Yeah, this is good.
No, have. Grab one or no?
Yeah, this is back, this front. This outside, this inside.
We're gonna show you guys how we mount them right now. This is the back. Gotta have the lube. Extra lube. More lube the better. Victor likes the lube. Victor said no lube, no go. So that's supposed to be automatic, but we gotta have our coach guy come fix the machine because it's coming down a little too fast. And this is for the front. They're 10, 20 by 10s. This one right here is a 20 by 12 or 20 by 11 and a half. This one 11 and a half back. This one 11 and a half. Yeah, 20 by 11 and a half. Front 20 by 10. Goes on nice and smooth. You can see after we put the protection on it, doesn't get damaged. These are expensive wheels, so we also want to make sure our customer's happy and they look like they came right out the box. And that's how to mount wheels without damaging them. Pop goes the weasel. I see it moving. Boom! Boom shakalaka! It's the finished product, the Porsche on 4Gs.